Why do some people build wealth while others struggle, even when both work hard? It's a question that's puzzled generations, and the answer isn't always obvious. We see people from similar backgrounds, with similar jobs, and even similar levels of effort, ending up in completely different financial situations. What's really going on here? The answer isn't just luck or family connections. While those factors can play a role, they don't tell the whole story. In fact, many self-made millionaires started with very little, proving that something else is at play. The real difference is knowledge, specifically understanding how money works today. Financial literacy is the foundation, but it goes deeper than just knowing how to save or budget. It's about grasping the systems, tools, and opportunities that exist in our modern world. Modern finance is driven by data, algorithms, and technology. The landscape is changing faster than ever, with new investment vehicles, digital currencies, and automated trading platforms reshaping the way wealth is built. Those who get ahead know how to make money work for them, not just work for money. They invest, diversify, and use technology to their advantage, letting their assets grow even while they sleep. Hard work matters, but without smart direction, it's like rowing in circles. You can put in endless hours, but if you're not moving toward the right goals, you'll stay stuck in the same place. The most successful people combine effort with financial know-how and tech skills. They're always learning, adapting, and looking for new ways to grow their wealth. They actively play the game, not just watch from the sidelines. Instead of being passive observers, they take calculated risks, learn from their mistakes, and keep pushing forward. The good news? This knowledge is accessible to anyone willing to learn. The internet has leveled the playing field, offering resources, courses, and communities for anyone ready to take charge of their financial future. You don't need an Ivy League degree, just curiosity and drive. With the right mindset and a willingness to put in the work, you can start building wealth from wherever you are. This video is your starting point. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, you're in the right place to begin your journey. We'll break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. You'll see how to apply these ideas in your daily life, no matter your background. You'll learn about quantitative finance and the financial habits that can change your life. From understanding risk to building a solid investment plan, we'll cover the essentials and beyond. Your journey to financial success starts now. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight, but with the right knowledge and habits, it's within your reach. Let's pull back the curtain and see what really separates the rich from everyone else. Ready? Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to building lasting wealth together. Quantitative finance might sound intimidating at first, but at its core, it's simply the art and science of using math, statistics, and programming to make smarter, more informed financial decisions. It's about taking the guesswork out of investing and replacing it with logic, evidence, and systematic analysis. Instead of relying on gut feelings or hunches, quants, short for quantitative analysts, use vast amounts of data to uncover patterns, measure risk, and build models that help predict what might happen next in the markets. Imagine having the ability to analyze thousands, even millions of data points in seconds, searching for hidden trends or signals that could give you an edge. This is where science meets money, and where technology transforms the way we approach finance. The world's largest banks, hedge funds, and investment firms rely on quant models and sophisticated algorithms to make decisions worth billions of dollars every day. These models help them manage risk, spot opportunities, and stay ahead of the competition. Whether you dream of a career in finance, want to manage your own investments, or simply hope to understand how the financial world works, learning about quantitative finance gives you a powerful advantage. It's a skill set that opens doors and helps you make smarter choices with your money. At its heart, Quant Finance is about using past data, everything from stock prices to economic indicators, to make better predictions about the future. It's about building a bridge between what's happened before and what might happen next. But it's important to remember, it's about probability, not certainty. No model can predict the future perfectly, and no one is right all the time. But even a small statistical edge, applied consistently, can add up to big results over time. The best part? You don't need to be a math genius or a computer whiz to start learning the basics. With curiosity and a willingness to learn, anyone can begin to understand the language of modern finance. By learning how to think like a quant, you'll start to see financial opportunities and risks that others might overlook. You'll be able to make decisions with more confidence and clarity. In a world that often feels chaotic and unpredictable, quantitative finance offers a systematic, logical approach to understanding and navigating the markets. It's your toolkit for making sense of the financial world and for finding your own edge within it. Want to be a quant? You need 3 core skills: math, programming, and financial knowledge. Math, especially statistics and probability, helps you build models and understand risk. Programming, especially Python, lets you process data, test strategies, and automate analysis. Finance knowledge gives context. Know your stocks, bonds, and how markets work. These skills make you valuable because you can directly impact profits. Entry-level quants can earn 6 figures, and top performers make millions. You're not just an employee, you're a profit center. Master these tools, and you'll have a superpower in the financial world. The right skills can literally print money. So, how do you break into quant finance? The journey might seem intimidating at first, but with the right approach, anyone with determination and curiosity can get started. Whether you're a student, a career switcher, or just fascinated by the world of numbers and markets, there's a clear path you can follow. Start by learning the basics: math, Python, and finance, using free or low-cost online resources like Coursera or Udemy. Don't be afraid to start small. Even a few hours a week can make a difference. Focus on building a strong foundation in statistics, probability, and programming, as these are the core skills every quant needs. Next, build a portfolio. Create small projects, analyze stock data, and share your code on GitHub. Try backtesting trading strategies, visualizing financial data, or even automating simple trading bots. These hands-on projects will help you understand real-world problems and solutions. Real projects show employers you can apply your skills, not just talk about them. When you showcase your work, you demonstrate initiative, creativity, and the ability to solve problems, qualities that hiring managers value. Don't worry about complexity. Demonstrate your process and passion. Explain your thought process, document your code, and share what you learned from each project. Employers appreciate candidates who are transparent about their learning journey. Once you have a portfolio, look for internships at banks, hedge funds, or fintech startups. These experiences are invaluable for building your network and gaining practical skills. Even short-term internships or research projects can make a big difference. Your projects will help you stand out. When recruiters see your initiative and real-world experience, you'll be ahead of the competition. Rejection is normal. Keep learning, building, and applying. Every setback is a chance to improve your skills and refine your approach. Stay persistent and don't lose sight of your goals. Network on LinkedIn, attend virtual events, and connect with industry pros. Join online communities, participate in discussions, and seek advice from those already in the field. Every connection is a potential opportunity. Sometimes a single conversation can open doors you never expected. Persistence and curiosity are your best assets. Stay hungry for knowledge and always look for ways to grow. The path is challenging, but step by step, you can get there. Every bit of progress counts, and over time, your efforts will add up. Start today, and your future self will thank you. Set clear goals, track your progress, and celebrate your achievements along the way. The quant world is waiting. With dedication, curiosity, and a willingness to learn, you can carve out your place in this exciting field. Whether you want to be a quant or just financially secure, you must master personal finance basics. First, assets put money in your pocket, liabilities take it out. The wealthy focus on acquiring assets, not liabilities. Next, create a spending plan. Track every dollar for a month to see where your money really goes. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to make it easy. Your credit score is your financial report card. Pay bills on time and keep balances low. A high score saves you thousands in interest. A low score costs you. These basics, assets versus liabilities, tracking spending, managing credit, are your foundation. Master them before chasing complex investments. Build stability first, then grow wealth. Most people skip these steps. Don't be one of them. Get the basics right and you're already ahead. Yahoo Finance is a free, powerful tool for investors. Create a free account to track your stocks and build a watch list. Dive into each stock summary, statistics and financials tabs for key data like PE ratios, revenue, and debt. Use the news section to stay informed and the stock screener to find new ideas. You don't need to be an expert to spot trends. Look for consistent growth and strong fundamentals. Spend 15 minutes a day exploring, and your investing knowledge will skyrocket. Professional level research is at your fingertips for free. Use it to make smarter decisions, not just guesses. Knowledge is useless without a plan. Start by setting clear, specific goals with deadlines. Write them down. Build an emergency fund, 3-6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. This protects you from life's surprises and keeps you out of debt. Once that's set, invest for the long term using low-cost index funds or ETFs. Index funds give you instant diversification and steady growth. Automate your investments. Consistency beats timing the market. Diversify across stocks, bonds, and other assets as you grow. Adjust your mix based on your age and risk tolerance. Stick to your plan even when markets get rough. A simple, disciplined approach beats chasing hot tips. Build your financial fortress one step at a time. Your future self will thank you. Your income is your most powerful wealth-building tool. Boost it by learning high-value skills, coding, data analysis, digital marketing, or industry certifications. Dedicate time each week to self-education. Read, take courses, listen to podcasts, build your network, connect with industry leaders on LinkedIn, share what you're learning, and ask for advice. Your network opens doors to jobs, mentorship, and new opportunities. Build your personal brand, share your projects, answer questions, and provide value online. Become known for your expertise, and opportunities will find you. Investing in yourself pays the highest returns. You are your greatest asset. Never stop growing. The market rewards those who keep learning. Start today and watch your value rise. We've covered the tools, strategies, and mindsets for financial success. But knowledge alone means nothing without action. Don't wait for the perfect time. It doesn't exist. Start small. Open a savings account, track your spending, sign up for a course, or build a watch list. The size of the step doesn't matter. Breaking in action is what counts. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. You'll make mistakes, but keep moving forward. Focus on long-term habits, not short-term feelings. Believe you can learn, grow, and build the future you want. Your mindset is your foundation. Don't let past mistakes hold you back. Today is your turning point. Take that first step now. Your future self will thank you.